Welcome to this journey back in time to one of the most iconic cameras in photographic history, the Voigtländer Vito B. In today's video, we're going to dive deep into the story, the design, and why this compact 35mm camera from the mid-20th century still holds a special place in the hearts of photographers and collectors alike. Released in 1954, the Voigtländer Vito B was a compact camera with a simple yet robust design that stood out during an era of innovation in photography. It's part of Voigtländer's Vito line, and what set the Vito B apart was its excellent craftsmanship and ease of use. One of the defining features of the Voigtländer Vito B is its precision-built 50mm f3.5 Color-Skopar lens. This lens is legendary for its sharpness, providing beautiful image quality with minimal distortion, even by today's standards. As you can see, the Vito B produced images with a distinctive vintage charm that today's photographers often try to recreate using digital filters. The photos you're seeing here were all shot on the Voigtländer Vito B, and they perfectly capture the warm, nostalgic feel of mid-century photography. Now, let's talk about its mechanics. The Vito B was a fully manual camera. It has a simple but effective range of shutter speeds from 1/25th to 200th of a second, with an additional bulb mode for long exposures. This gave photographers full control over their exposures, something that's becoming a lost art in the digital age. Loading the film is a breeze, thanks to its well-thought-out film advance mechanism. With a simple lever pull, you're ready for your next shot. This camera was built with durability in mind. Many Vito Bs, like this one, are still in perfect working condition more than 60 years after they were made. Interestingly, the tripod socket is located on the side rather than the bottom, which is one of the quirks that photographers had to get used to. And here's the shutter release, small, subtle, but incredibly satisfying to press. The sound of the mechanical shutter is unmistakable, a soft click that signals the magic of film photography. In a world where we're constantly chasing the latest technology, the Voigtländer Vito B reminds us that sometimes simpler is better. It's a testament to the art of photography where every frame tells a story and every shot counts. So whether you're a collector, a film photography enthusiast, or someone who's just discovering the charm of vintage cameras, the Voigtländer Vito B is a gem worth exploring. It's more than just a camera. It's a piece of history, a work of art, and a tool that invites you to slow down and enjoy the moment. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And let us know in the comments what your favorite vintage camera is. Until next time, keep capturing the magic.